Now go back to our Eclipse IDE and we need to update the OrderDAO class, implement a new method that returns a list of book orders belong to a specified customer. And public, this method returns a list of book order list by customer, and the parameter is a customer object customer. Just return no for now. And to implement this method, we need to create a named query in the domain model class book order here. We create a named query here. Named query. The name of the query is book order dot find by customer, and the